The Life handheld mini fan is more than just a fan. It's your all-in-one summer essential. Designed for convenience, this compact yet powerful device keeps you cool anywhere with up to 19 hours of refreshing airflow. But that's not all. It also doubles as a power bank, ensuring your phone stays charged when you need it the most. Heading out at night? The built-in flashlight provides reliable lighting, making it perfect for travel, camping, or emergencies. With a sleek, foldable design, you can use it as a handheld fan or place it on a desk for hands-free cooling. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it's easy to carry wherever you go. USB rechargeable and energy efficient, this is a must-have for anyone who values comfort and convenience. Whether you're at home, at a concert, or on an outdoor adventure, the Life mini fan has you covered. Stay cool, stay powered, and stay prepared. Get yours today. Find the product link in the description.